current version of dashboard component is so-called stateless component. We need to refactor it. So let's get rid of this code. We have used RSC shortcut several times to create stateless components. Now what I need right now is to create class component. So I'm going to type RCC and hit tab, dashboard. Dashboard goes here, Control S, okay, works fine. This shortcut creates a template of class component. It imports React, creates class, and exports this class. Okay, in this case, it works as it worked before. But now, since it is a class component, we can add state to it. I'm going to define state here. And let's try something like this. Text to show. And it's gonna be a string. And let's move this message here. Control S. Our message disappeared. And now this state text to show. Control S. And as you can see, we can store data in state and then retrieve it. It is a simple example of storing and retrieving data using state. Later, the dashboard container will be connected with Redux. That's where the data will come from. We'll talk about it later. For now, let's store the data we need in state of this class. In this case, we stored a string, but it can be an array or even an object.